Hey everyone, it's Julie here with TipRanks, and today we're taking a look at 3 top analyst stocks at under $20 a share. So let's get into it. Alright guys, welcome back. Thank you all so much for being here. Today we're taking a look at 3 top analyst stocks in the technology sector. These are stocks that have recently picked up buy ratings from 5-star analysts, and all of our choices today are priced at under $20 per share. So we're going to take a look at these companies, what it is that they do, and what those Wall Street analysts are predicting for the stock's future. We found these stocks under the TipRanks Top Analyst Stocks page. Found right at the top of the Ideas menu, here you'll find a list of companies picking up those ratings from 5-star analysts recently. At the bottom, you'll also see the analyst consensus by sector, and at the top with the most strong buy ratings is the tech sector. So up top here, we narrowed in on the technology sector and then looked at stocks under $20. You can check out these top analyst stocks over on the TipRanks website or directly on your TipRanks mobile app. You can download the app by scanning the QR code on your screen or by following links in the description down below. Now, just before we get into today's stocks, this is a friendly reminder that if you enjoyed the video, make sure you hit that thumbs up button and that you're subscribed to the channel as well. Now let's dive right into our 3 top analyst tech stocks. First on the list, we're looking at Asure Software. They trade under the ticker ASUR, currently priced at $11.61. The stock has climbed 40% overall in the past year, jumping up in recent weeks and gaining 32% in the last 3 months. They do currently score a 10 out of 10 on the TipRanks Smart Score. Asure Software provides cloud-based workforce management software solutions and services. They focus on providing comprehensive HCM or human capital management solutions that help businesses manage their workforce efficiently, stay compliant with regulations, and focus on growth. Some of their software-as-a-service solutions include payroll and tax management, human resources, time and attendance, compliance services, HR services, and marketplace and integrations. Headquartered out of Texas, they help more than 100,000 businesses and their 1.7 million employees. They shared their third quarter earnings report on October 31st, where their results did fall short of analyst expectations. For their Q3, they reported earnings per share of 13 cents, falling 6 cents short of analyst expectations, while revenue came in at $29.3 million, which did miss by about $2 million. And while that total revenue was relatively flat year over year and they did see a net loss increase, their recurring revenue did see strong growth, increasing 20% year over year, and they also saw their sales bookings increase 141%, as well as acquired 12 companies over the last 4 quarters. About 1 week ago, we did see an analyst from Lake Street upgrade their rating on the stock to a buy, as well as increase their price target. Triggered by news of a Paytech's potential acquisition, it prompted the firm to revisit their valuation for Asure. They argued that the backdrop for U.S. employment remains stable and believed that the company's conservative 2025 guidance leaves it teed up to meet or exceed estimates. The day before that, Barrington also included the stock on their best ideas list for 2025. Asure currently has 8 analyst ratings, coming in as a strong buy, with 7 buys and just 1 hold. And their average price target comes in at $14.43, implying an upside potential of 24%. Looking at those price targets down below, on the low end we do have a buy rating at $11, which would now be a slight downside of over 5%, while our high-end price target comes from Needham at $20 per share for an upside of nearly 72%. For our second stock today, we're looking at Adeia. They trade under the ticker ADEA, currently priced at $12.87. Their stock has climbed 16.5% over this past year, and in the last 3 months is up 7%. They currently score a 9 out of 10 on the TipRanks Smart Score. Adeia is an R&D and intellectual property company that creates technologies for the media, entertainment, and consumer electronics industries. They invest in research and development to invent and develop fundamental innovations that they then license to a variety of industries. They develop products that enhance the user experience of entertainment. With over 30 years of experience, they hold a significant portfolio of patents with over 11,750 media and semiconductor patent assets. From the original TV Guide magazine back in the 50s to the introduction of on-screen electronic and interactive program guides, they've helped create the interface for viewing television. And the company has now expanded into the semiconductor sector, focusing on innovations like hybrid bonding. Their third quarter earnings report came out on November 7th, and they also fell short of analyst expectations. They reported Q3 earnings per share of 27 cents, which did fall 13 cents short of analyst expectations and was their first miss in a while. Revenue came in at $86.1 million, which was a slight decline year over year. They did adjust their revenue guidance a bit lower due to potential timing issues with deal closures and also filed a lawsuit against Disney for unauthorized use of their IP. Highlights of the quarter did include closing a multi-year e-commerce license, signing 7 new deals in the quarter, and having an increase to their share repurchase program up to $200 million. In December, a 5-star analyst from Rosenblatt Securities reiterated their buy rating and bumped up their price target by $3 on the stock. They said that Adeia is an under-the-radar artificial intelligence play with an income model carrying 100% gross margin, 60% operating margin and EBITDA, while revenue generates 40% cash. It recommends investors take a closer look at their business model and opportunities in new media and semiconductor intellectual property. The stock does just have 3 current analyst ratings, but they do all come in with a buy. And that strong buy rating comes with an average price target of $17, implying an upside potential of 32%. Looking at those ratings down below, our low end is $16 from BWS for an upside of 24%, which just came in yesterday, and the high end is Rosenblatt at $18 for an upside of about 40%. If you've made it all the way to our third stock today, then this is a reminder to make sure you hit that thumbs up button. Last but not least, we're taking a look at Penguin Solutions. They trade under the ticker PENG, currently priced at $19.49. They have seen some ups and downs this year, but overall are in the red, down 9%, and in the last 3 months down 5%, though they've been climbing upwards here recently. They do currently score a 10 out of 10 on the TipRanks Smart Score. Penguin Solutions is a tech company specializing in advanced computing solutions and services. Their mission is to accelerate digital transformation by harnessing emerging technologies, focusing on delivering end-to-end solutions that help customers achieve their business and innovation goals across various sectors like healthcare, finance, education, and government. They focus on high-performance computing, artificial intelligence, and the Internet of Things. Penguin Solutions designs, builds, deploys, and manages HPC infrastructure at scale, helping organizations with complex computational needs such as scientific research, financial modeling, and engineering simulations. And finally, we have a company that had an earnings beat. Just last week on January 8th, they reported their Q1, where earnings and revenue both exceeded expectations. Their Q1 earnings per share came in at 49 cents, beating expectations by 10 cents per share, and revenue of $341 million beat expectations by $21 million and grew by 24%. That was highlighted by a 49% growth in advanced computing. Following that earnings report, several analysts have increased their price target, including one 5-star analyst from Loop Capital that just bumped up theirs yesterday. They maintained their view that Penguin is an on-the-come Gen AI-related company with teeth in important areas of critical next-generation technologies, and they see multiple catalysts developing over the next 12 to 24 months that makes the investment story very intriguing. Penguin Solutions has 7 current analyst ratings, all coming in with a buy. And that unanimous strong buy consensus comes with an average price target of $25.57, implying an upside potential of 31%. Looking at those ratings down below, on the low end we have a $21 price target for an upside just shy of 8%, while our high end price target is $30 for an upside of 54%. So that is a quick look at 3 top analyst stocks, all priced under $20 per share. Let me know your thoughts on these companies, if they were on your radar before or not, and which one catches your eye the most. I always love hearing from you guys. Please keep in mind these videos are never a suggestion to buy or sell any specific stock, so make sure you always stick to your own investment plan. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a wonderful day, and I'll see you back here next time.